Are you ready? Come on! Phonics, 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 phonics. We learn phonics. We learn phonics.
Let's rap our letter sounds each day. They'll help you read and write the right way.
Girls and boys, get ready to sing and move about. We can learn the letter sounds as we all work out. Stretch up high to the sky. Work out, work out. Tap your knees to the beat. Work out, work out. Twist your hips just like this. Work out, work out. Everybody work out, yeah! To the letter sounds. Let's go! Stretch to the left for the letter. Stretch in the middle for the sound. Stretch to the right for a word. Everyone work out!
Everyone work out!
Let's learn words with H. H is for hat. Hat, hat. H is for hand. Hand, hand. H is for house. House, house.
H is for heart. Rap it, read it, say it, sign it. 26 letters of the alphabet.
Let's learn words with I. I is for igloo. Igloo, igloo. I is for insect. Insect, insect. I is for iguana. Iguana.
I. This is letter I. Uppercase I, lowercase I. I is for I. Ice. 26 letters of the alphabet. Rap it, read it, say it, sign it. 26 letters of